I'm Vicky. I was a customer service associate for 27 years. When I retired, I wanted to take more walks in the park and enjoy the scenery and the beautiful view of the lake. I want to spend more time playing with my granddaughter and in being involved in her life. And I wanted to bowl more. By having the Medicare Advantage program helped me to be able to do some of the things I want to be able to do in retirement. Aetna sent me an onboarding overview in the mail. The welcome book was really helpful because it broke everything down of what Aetna provided. So that was really helpful to look at and read. I didn't expect a video that would be personalized just for me. It was directed towards me, which made me feel like Aetna was with me every step of the way. I felt pretty confident about my plan's coverage and knew if I had any questions, I could always call Aetna customer service. I know what coverage I've got. So now I can focus on the things that really matter, like enjoying those retirement days, my free time, walking, bowling with my friends. My family is my life. I want to be around to watch their life blossom.